Hello and welcome to this week's spelling test where you are looking at words that end in the J sound, spelt D-G-E. Here we go. Spelling number 1, the word is badge. I won a badge during this week's celebration assembly. The word is badge. Spelling number 2, the word is edge. I looked over the edge of the cliff. The word is edge. Spelling 3, the word is bridge. We walked over the bridge to get to the other side of the river. The word is bridge. Spelling 4, the word is dodge. My friend had to dodge the ball that was about to hit her. The word is dodge. And finally, spelling 5, the word is fudge. This is the finest Cornish fudge. The word is fudge.